Hey everybody, welcome back to DSJ Plays Megaman X4. Now we're down to the final Maverick, Slash Beast. If you remember Slash Man from Mega Man 7, let's just say Slash Beast is somewhat a little bit more menacing than Slash Man. And yes, we on a train. We're kamikaze robots! Yay! But not really. Suicidal? Well, yeah, we'll go with that. Oh, that one actually ran. First one just tipped over and fell onto the track. Probably got ran over by the train. Oh yeah, that place is on Rawest stage. Damn, I'm fucking on my pronunciation. Enunciate, DJ. And Frost Walrus stage. There we go. I also max out my lives there too. Oh, mini boss time, and this is why I chose the plasma shot. It rapes the hell out of that thing. Onward to part 2. I gotta get on the ride armor here. Main reason, I need it. Because the heart container is hidden here. Only need it for that purpose. Ow! Bastard. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, this is the only thing that can actually slice through the blue crates. Because anything else will not. It will not pierce it. So. Oh, it was out in the open. Holy shit! I thought it was in the crate. Never mind. Go ahead, render my last statement inaccurate and pointless. Alright. Yeah. Sorry, ride armor. Oh, the train stops. I have to get off the train now. Damn. Oh, let's travel over get over the pits. You have to admit, if this is a fucking sidewalk, the future looks pretty fucked up. Oh, I'm back on the train again. Yeah. Use Jet Stingray's weapon against them. I could have used it against these enemies. Cause I keep on forgetting I have infinite shot thanks to that helmet upgrade. Oh, you can run as fast as a train. I'm not impressed. Yeah, you sound like you're in the military. Dude, fall back. Yeah, like I said, knowing that this is his weakness make him look like a complete joke. Bye. And that's the last Maverick. I think I got all the heart tanks. What do I get? And that's the weapon I need charged up to get the final armor upgrade. The Twin Slasher. Oh, that's what Web Spider's weak against. Damn. Kinda makes sense. And you know you're about to finish this because the music changes. Oh, they assemble. Repliforce assemble! But before I go to the spaceport, it's time to tie up some loose ends. Back to the volcano I go. Ow. Damn. My bus actually destroyed them rocks. Are you serious? I did not know that. I know that now. Wow. Be careful. Go ahead. There you go. Ow. Ow. Okay, I need in. Ow. As you can see, if it hits under there twice, that platform's good as gone. Oh. Both of my sub tanks are filled. Perfect. I don't have to worry about that now. Okay. Yeah, I know I could use lightning web for it, but okay. Charge the Twin Slasher here, and it breaks it. And now I got the final piece of the Force armor. And now, as I take damage, it'll convert it to weapon energy for the Nova Strike, which is his Giga attack for this game. Yeah, Mega Man X1 did not have a Giga attack. 2 did, 3 did, this one, 5, 6. I don't think 7 or 8 did. I don't know. I gotta play those again. I get a Nova Strike fully charged. Yeah, I got all the heart tanks. Time to go to the spaceport. Tie the loose ends this way. Oh damn, they assembled alright. Repliforce, assemble to the spaceport now. Those hunters, man, should not reach us. Cause we're going up to space. Yeah. It's nice to know they can go to space anytime they fucking want. But I like how Mega Man X8 did that plot. Oh boy. I'll admit it's not ridiculous. However, it is fucked up. And biblical as hell. Man, most of the entries in Mega Man X series is biblical actually. If you pay attention to some stuff, like I'll admit the Mega Man Maverick Hunter X really drove the Bible references home. Because the city was named Abel City and Dr. Kane. Yeah, Cain and Abel, we get it. And now, it's time for the final battle against the Colonel of Repliforce. Come face me, soldier. It's kind of stupid they don't see how they're being manipulated by Sigma. At the same time, Sigma's manipulating the Maverick Hunters indirectly. You show me no mercy, I get it. Ow. You may have to switch up your tactics a little, cause he got a new move. And that new move could fuck you over if you don't avoid it. As well as that whole dasher thing. Ow. I can't be on the ground for that either. Wonderful. Hold on, honey. Put that down. Shit was loud as hell. Anyway. Okay. You about to piss me off, Colonel. You're gonna die. I don't even think you have a real weapon weakness, do you? This when it pains me when I have to use a fucking E-tank. Yes, I'm probably gonna use that term interchangeably because in the original Mega Man series, it's E-tanks, and you don't have to fill. Oh, what the hell, man! I forgot he did that shit. No. Aha! You missed me! Oh, I know how to dodge that shit now. Hoo-yah! What you gonna do? Oh, you gonna do this shit again. Oh, you're gonna do it twice? You are a wuss, aren't you? No. I guess you are just doing it twice. Bye, Colonel. You impressed, huh? I defeated you. Wait a minute, they are in space? Really? Great. And you're gonna make a Reploid nation in space. Oh boy. When people start talking utopias, you know something's gonna go wrong. Well, next time, space.